Welcome to JNM Creative. Let us know the solution of some very important aptitude questions. First question is x equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6. Up to infinite time it is given. We need to find the value of x. So let's start the solution. Question is given as x equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6. Up to infinite time it is given. First step we have to do is we need to assume this square root of 6 plus square root of 6, this part as x. So the equation will become x equal to square root of 6 plus x. Next step we need to do is we have to square both sides of this equation. X square and it will become 6x plus x whole square. So the equation will become x square and this square and root. It will get cancelled out and the equation will become x square plus 6. Next is we can change the side of this equation as x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Next step we need to do is we need to solve this equation with the help of middle term factorization. So you can write this equation as x square 3 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. We can resolve this equation as x square 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. We can take x here as common. X, it will become x minus 3. And if we take 2 here as common, so it will become x minus 3 equal to 0. We can write this equation as x plus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we take x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x will become as x equals to minus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x will become x equal to 3. So x minus 2 cannot be the answer. So answer is x equal to 3. So option B is correct answer. Second question is if x equal to square root of 10 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 121, then what is the value of x? Let's start the solution. Question is given as x equal to square root of 10 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 121. First step we have to do is we can resolve the square root of 121 as square root of 11 square. This square and root it will get cancelled out, so it will remain 11. So we can write this equation as square root of 10 plus square root of 25 plus 11. Next step is we can write this equation as square root of 10. We can write this 25 plus 11 as 36. Next step we need to do is we can write this as square root of 10 plus we can resolve the square root of 36 as square root of 36. We can write this as square root of 6 square. So this square and root it will get cancelled out. It will remain 6. So we can write square root of 36 as square root of 10 plus 6. We can arrange this equation as square root of 10 plus 6 is 16. We can resolve this as square root of 16 as we can write this as 4 square. So this square and root it will get cancelled out. 4 will remain. So final answer will be x equal to 4. So answer is option D. Third question is 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x plus 3 is equal to 2560. Then what is the value of x? Let's start the solution. question is given as 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x plus 3 is equal to 2560. Before solving this, from the law of indices, we know that if base is same and power is different, we can write this as, that is, a raised to power m into a raised to power n. We can write this as a raised to power m plus n. Base is same, power is different. We can write the equation like this. So from this, we can write this equation as 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 1. Then 2 raised to power x plus 3, we can write this as 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2560. From this equation, we can take 2 raised to power x as common. So it will become 2 plus 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2560. We can write this equation like this, 2 raised to power x. We can write this 2 plus 2 raised to power 3. We can write this as 10, that is 2 plus 8 equals to 10. It will be equal to 2560. Next is 2 raised to power x. We can divide this 2560 with 10. So it will become 2 raised to power x equal to 256. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled out. So 2 raised to power x equal to 256. So 256, you can write this as 2 raised to power 8. So it will become 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 8. So you can write this as x equal to 8. So x equal to 8, option C is correct answer.